Hi guys, and today we're gonna be opening this prize. We don't know what it is, but our mom bought it for us. We have no idea. I can see it. It's Make Your Own Slime. Thank you. Now we're gonna open the box. Here's instructions. I like this. It's cute. And then here are the products that we need to use. Make your own slimes. You can squeeze the slime, stretch, and pull it. Until it also gets nice too. I'm just gonna open the box now. Let's see. Here it is. I think this is for using color.
My color is red. My color is red. My color is
I have no idea what this is for. It's the use Reptar. I think this is to put the slime in. And this is to I'm just gonna go and make the slime. The puzzle. First, they're gonna put 6 spoons of green ooze base. Now you have to put 3 spoons of this ooze Reptar. And then this is how it looks like. My mom's gonna put this in for me. Now I have to mix it for 60 seconds. Oh, Amy's one is. Amy already did it. Look, Amy's one. I think it's nearly done. Or it's already done. It's like jelly. You have to mix it for 60. So now we finished mixing it. This is how it looks like. And this is how Amy wants it. Now we're gonna take it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! It feels like jelly. It feels like you're touching a brain. Look at Amy's. It's so much fun to play with. Guys, if you wanna buy this, it's called Make Your Own Slime. Make Your Own Slime. Fun Science. Fun Science is right here. This is so much fun. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. watching. Comment down below if you made slime or you have slime. Bye.